Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
Two blocks made of different materials connected together by a thin cord slide down a plane ramp in slant at an angle to the horizontal as shown in figure 5-34. Block B is above block A. The masses of the blocks are MA and MB, and the coefficient of fraction are UA and UB. If MA equal MB equal 5 cents 0 kg and UA equal 0 cents 20 and UB equal 0 cents 30, determine A. the acceleration of the blocks and B. the tension in the cord for an angle. Correct answer is A. The acceleration of the blocks is 2 cents per m/s2. B. the tension in the cord is 25 cents 0 n.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.